friends, welcome to Next Money. Today, just I want to share this business presentation which can change your life. Okay, welcome to Next Money, which is number one company in Indian direct selling history. It is in service sector. See, background of the company is NextGen Inventive Information Technology Private Limited, basically an IT-based company, started from Pune on 11th December 2013. He is Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman. He is the CMD of the company. A very brilliant person, basically an aeronautical engineer. It is the brainchild of Mr. Abhishek Kumar Burman. That is Next Money, which is a complete business application which supports 100% Digital India, Make in India and Swachh Bharat. This complete business application was launched on 1st January 2017. Next Money is listed under Ministry of Consumer Affairs website, Government of India. That is now at the serial number of 278. You can see the company name, SIN number. It is headquartered in Pune in the state of Maharashtra. There are 57 companies which are legally registered under MCA, under direct selling industry. In that 456 companies are product based. I'm very proud to tell you that Next Money is the first and foremost company which started in service sector. You can see whatever the legal requirements are needed to run a business in India, all you are seeing on the screen: GST, trademark, incorporation, PAN card and MSME certification. What is the vision of the company? Vision of the company is to become open wallet bank in India, and to develop entrepreneurship, to develop e-commerce business, and to develop business to business platform. What is the mission of the company? Mission of the company is to support 100% Digital India, to help India to become healthy India, and to support 100% wealthy India. Now, what is Next Money? Next Money is a very simple application which works on Android platform, but it has a very unique combination, that is e-wallet, e-commerce plus earning opportunities plus digital learning. This e-wallet and e-commerce companies make us only customers because they work on B2C platform. Okay, whereas Next Money makes us business partners because Next Money is working on B2B module, that is business to business module. How to start Next Money? Very simple. Go to Play Store, download an application called Next Money app and sign up yourself. Once you start doing sign up, please be very careful before putting your referral name. If you do any small mistakes also, you'll be registered under some other person. Okay, please be very careful. Put your mobile number, email ID and create your own username. Put your name as per the PAN card details, create password and confirm the password. Since it's a legal and legitimate business, in order to complete the KYC, we need to submit all these documents, whichever you are seeing on the screen. As a free sign up member, you will have an access for all these third-party applications, that is e-commerce applications. Whatever the shopping you do through these applications, you will get a guaranteed 0.5 to 10% cashback. Guaranteed 0.5 to 10% cashback. It is exclusively available only in Next Money. Okay, and also you can avail these insurance facilities. If you purchase health and term insurance from Next Money, you will get 10% cashback, and if you purchase vehicle insurance, you will get 5% cashback on your OD premium paid. Now there are certain Prime services. If at all, if you want to get a Prime membership, you need to pay 1,500 plus 18% GST, that is 1,770 once in a lifetime. Okay, now let us understand why Prime membership is required. Number one, to access all the Prime services and to enjoy the huge earning potential of this application. And whenever you upgrade, from that day you'll be getting a guaranteed lifetime cashback on all the Prime services which you are going to use. Whenever you sign up yourself for free, company gives you 50 reward points. Whenever you upgrade yourself, company gives you 1,500 reward points. One reward point values 1 rupee, my dear friends. Okay, you will also get an opportunity to earn discount points, whereas these discount points and reward points both are same, but they come from different places, but they can be used in a single place. You will also get an opportunity to earn level cashback. Now let us understand the Prime services. If you do mobile DTS data card recharge, you will get instant 2% cashback and you can redeem 1% of your reward points. If you do all these bookings, you will get 2 to 10% instant cashback and you can redeem 1 to 5% of your reward points. If you shop through Next Shopping, you will enjoy the redemption of your reward points up to 70% and you will get a cashback up to 20%. There are certain services where you will not get any cashback, but you will get more benefits. See, if you pay all these monthly bills through Next Money application, you will get 25% discount points. That is, if you pay electricity bill of 1,000 rupees, you will get 250 discount points. One discount point values 1 rupee, my dear friends. Let us understand the different ways of earning. Number one, saving is earning, referral program, repurchase income, team royalty, company royalty, leadership royalty, and merchant royalty. Let us understand the saving is earning. Once you become a prime member, if at all you use all these services which you are seeing on the screen for your own purpose, you can save from 15,000 to 20,000 rupees per annum. Mind blowing offer, my dear friends. Just grab it. Okay. Referral income. Let us understand the power of referral income. I will be giving an example of referring it to 5 people. There is no limitation. You can refer to n number of people. If I refer to 5 people, these 5 people come on my first level. Company pays me 20% to my first level. That is 300 rupees from each person. That is 1500 comes to my wallet. I can transfer this money to my bank through IMPS or NEFT facility. Now, if these first level 5 people refer their 5 people, these 25 people come on my second level. Company pays me 2%, that is 30 rupees per person. Till second level, I explained you now. Let us understand till what level company pays. See, first level 20%, second level 2%, third level 3%, fourth level 4%, like this till 10th level company pays. That is 10th level 10%. Okay. Now, you see this power of this concept. This concept is called as power of compounding. As per Albert Einstein, this is the 8th wonder of the world. Whichever business runs on this concept is never going to fail. This is the feedback from Mr. Albert Einstein. Okay, let us understand what is that power. Okay, I already told you that I referred 5 people only. First level 5 people. If these 5 people refer their 5, it becomes 25. Third level it becomes 125. Fourth level it becomes 625. You see the magic how it is going to happen. Fifth level the income becomes 2,34,000. Sixth level the income becomes 14 lakhs. Seventh level it becomes 82 lakhs. Eighth level it becomes 4 crores 68 lakhs. Ninth level it becomes 2 crores 26 crores. 10th level it becomes 146 crores. Overall, the earning potential of this application is 178 crore rupees, just only referral income. This is the mind-blowing concept. Again, this is the power of next money. Okay. Now, any business you take, there will be success and failure rate. If you're 100% success, you will get 178 crores. If you're 10% success also, still you will make 17.8 crores. Okay. Again, it depends on who you are, what kind of success you want to achieve. Okay, now let us understand the repurchase income, that is level cashback. Imagine that this is you. Below you, from your first level to 10th level, there is a huge team. Now, whatever the team size you have, whatever the cashback they are going to make, 25% of that cashback will be distributed from level 1 to level 10. Let me give an example and explain this. Imagine you have a team size of 10 lakh people down the line from 2 to 3 years. Now, if everyone did a mobile recharge every month of 200 rupees, they will get a cashback 2%. That is 4 rupees 1% will get. Okay, if 1% gets 4 rupees, what about 10 lakh people? 40 lakh is the total team cashback. 25% of it is 10 lakhs. 10 lakh divided by 10 level is 1 lakh rupee you can make per month only from your team's recharge. This is the power of network, and this is the power of next money. Okay, now I gave you an example of only mobile recharge. Same calculation applies to DTS, data card recharge, bus, flight, hotel booking, all third-party application shopping, all insurance purchases, and all next shopping portal purchase as well. Okay, can you imagine the income here? You can make more than 10 lakh rupees per month only from level cashback. Friends, understand the power of this concept. As of now, we are a closed wallet, so we cannot transfer the cashback income, whatever we make, to the bank right now, because once we become open wallet, then we can transfer it. But till that time, what we can do is 100% of our cashback income we can utilize in paying all these utility bills. Okay, till 10th level I explained you. Now, if someone joins your 11th level to nth level, you will not make any money, but company has given an opportunity even to earn that money in the form of royalty income. Let us understand silver royalty, gold royalty, and diamond royalty. If you want to become a silver star, see, in order to achieve silver royalty, you have to become silver star. You referred 5 people below any one of them. If you build their team from level 2 to level 10, you'll become silver star. You'll get 1% royalty. That is 15 rupees per person. Whoever joins your organization from 11th level to nth level, payment will be made on your differential basis. If you want to achieve gold royalty, you referred 5 people. If you help these first level 5 people to become silver, automatically it'll become gold. You'll get 2% royalty. That is 30 rupees per person. Whoever is going to join your organization from your 11th level to nth level, payment will be made on differential basis. Diamond royalty, in order to become diamond star, see, you referred 5 people, below them from their first level to 10th level. If there are 5 gold stars from 5 different legs, you will become a diamond star. You will get 3% royalty. That is 45 rupees per person. Whoever joins your organization from your 11th level to nth level, payment will be made on your differential basis. Company royalty is a very, very powerful royalty. My dear friends, please listen to this with 100% focus. This is the first time in direct selling history in India, according to my knowledge. Okay. In order to achieve this company royalty, you have to become a crown diamond star. How to become a crown diamond star? You referred 5 people, below them from their first level to 10th level. If there are 5 diamond stars from 5 different legs, you will become a crown diamond star. Once you become a crown diamond star, whatever joining turnover happens to company on daily basis, 1% of it comes to your pocket, my dear friends. Worst case, on average per day 1000 upgrades are happening all over India. 1000 into 1500 is 15 lakh rupees. 1% of it is 15,000 rupees per day you can make once you become a crown diamond star. According to me, you'll become financially free once you achieve crown diamond royalty. Please focus 100%. Your vision should be becoming a crown diamond royalty. Leadership royalty, how to achieve it? Very, very simple. You have to become a silver star. Once you become a silver star, help your first level 5 people to find their 5, you'll achieve a leadership royalty. The benefit of this is the first level 5 people, whatever they are going to earn every day, 10% comes to you extra basis for lifetime. Okay, this is the power of this. Success is our mission. Just download, sign up and upgrade yourself. Okay, thank you very much for listening to this presentation.